How you doing? I'm Mike from Harris Water Main. Today I have Lyndon, our foreman. Lyndon, what's going on, man?
I'm good, sir.
That was very enthusiastic. I like keeping the energy up. What the heck was that? Come on,
that's
man.
Right, that's right.
Let's do it again. How you doing? I'm Mike from Harris Water Main. Today I have our foreman, Lyndon. Lyndon, how you doing?
I'm fine, Mike. I'm fine.
It's good to see you again.
Nice seeing you too.
As always. So listen, I wanted to put a video out on how you can connect a curb valve to, say, if you had an existing copper water main. So let's just say you wanted to install a curb valve, you have copper, we already shut the water off in the street, the water's off, okay? So then you would cut the pipe, basically, here we are. Let's go through what you need and then how do you install it.
You need a curb valve.
So what type of curb valve is this?
This is a 1-inch ball valve.
A flared curb valve, yeah. But it has a ball valve inside.
Valve inside. Okay. So you need a flaring tool.
And we call that a knocker, right?
And your hammer.
Okay, anything else?
And you need, this is your Pro Dope. Pro Dope you're just making it easy when you put this in the copper. It comes back out easy. You unscrew the nut. This is the flare nut. Over the copper like this.
First. Okay.
And then you install the flaring tool inside the copper.
Gotcha.
And then you take the hammer and you hit.
And what's that doing?
It just flare the end.
So there's no need for any like Blue Monster and no Teflon tape at all.
Just the Pro Dope.
Just the Pro Dope.
See, now this cannot come out no more.
So when you tighten it up, it just locks right in.
And easy.
So if you're doing it to an existing copper water main, your measurement needs to be pretty spot on.
That's right.
Where you cut it. So you're removing a little bit of that pipe, and if you cut it too short,
your valve ends up.
You have a major problem. You won't be able to make a good. You won't be able to make a good seal.
That's right.
Okay.
You gotta use a straight a cutter. You cut the pipe straight. Can't be no angle.
Gotcha. So let's do this
side.
side.
The same thing over here.
Same thing. Pro Dope.
You gotta be careful when you're hitting it, just so you don't damage the thread.
So what if can you overflare it?
Yes, you can, because if you overflare it, the copper splits. It's still like.
Now something like this, like a licensed master plumber has to do this.
Yep.
Right? This is not something that anyone can just take on.
No.
Mainly because you have to have the right permitting and approval.
Everything.
To shut the street.
That's right. Here we go.
That's basically it. Now you just have to make sure it's set. Set your box.
Set your box straight up.
And then you're good
so
to go.
You can get the key.
Seems pretty simple. But a lot of work goes into getting to this point to actually do it.
That's right. That's right.
Gotcha. Well, thank you for watching our video. Again, if you could like, comment, and subscribe, it would be greatly appreciated. Lyndon, as always, great hanging with you, man.
Same to you.
Have a good day.
You too. Okay.